Hi, this is Michael from Learn GCSE Maths. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to multiply out brackets for the GCSE Maths exam. In the first part of this two-part set of videos, which is linked to in the description, I covered multiplying out single brackets. Here, I will cover multiplying expressions with two sets of brackets or double brackets, three sets of brackets or triple brackets, as well as squared brackets and cubed brackets. Before we get started, please click on the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way, when I put out videos on topics related with GCSE Maths, you will get notified. Let's start with an example. X plus 1 in brackets times x plus 2 in brackets. The basic approach is that each term in the first set of brackets needs to be multiplied by all the terms in the second set of brackets. Therefore, all the possible pairs of terms must be multiplied. What I mean by all the possible pairs of terms is x and x, 1 and 2, 1 and x and 2. The order doesn't really matter as long as all the possible pairs are multiplied. One method you can use is called the FOIL method, where F stands for the first terms, so x and x in this case, which is x squared. O stands for the outside terms, x and 2 being the outside terms, so 2x when multiplied. I stands for the inside terms, 1 and x being the inside terms, which is x when multiplied, and L stands for the last terms, so 1 and 2, which is 1 times 2 is 2. We get x squared plus 2x plus x plus 2. X plus 2x is 3x, so we get x squared plus 3x plus 2. When it comes to the exam, as I mentioned in a previous video, the words you should be looking for are expand or simplify or both. So let's look at another example. Expand or simplify 2x minus 5y times 4x plus 3y. We can use the previous method, FOIL. So the first terms are 2x and 4x, which multiplied together, 2 times 4 is 8, x times x is x squared, so that's 8x squared. The outside terms are 2 and 3y. 2 times 3 is 6, and x times y is xy, so the result is 6xy. Next are the inside terms, minus 5y and 4x. Minus 5 times 4 is minus 20, and y times x is yx, so the result is minus 20yx. The last terms are minus 5y and plus 3y. So minus 5 times 3 is minus 15, y times y is y squared, so this term comes to minus 15y squared. The final simplification we make is to the middle terms of the expression. Minus 20yx is the same as minus 20xy. This is because minus 20yx is really minus 20 times y times x. The multiplication is implied in the algebra. In multiplication, the order does not matter. 2 times 3 is 6, and 3 times 2 is also 6. That is again why minus 20yx is the same as minus 20xy. We rewrite the equation with minus 20xy. Minus 20xy comes to minus 14xy. The equation becomes 8x squared minus 14xy minus 15y squared. Next, let's look at the situation where we have squared brackets. Expand x plus 4 squared. Any number squared is it multiplied by itself. So x plus 4 squared is x plus 4 times x plus 4. Again, we can apply the FOIL method. X times x is x squared. outside terms are x and 4, so x times 4 is 4x. Inside terms are 4 and x, so that comes to 4x as well. And last terms are 4 and 4, which comes to 16 multiplied. Adding the 4x's comes to 8x, so the answer is x squared plus 8x plus 16. Let's look at cubed brackets. This is more relevant for people doing higher GCSE. X plus 4 cubed. Any number cubed is it multiplied by itself twice. So x plus 4 times x plus 4 times x plus 4 is the same as x plus 4 cubed. From the previous example, we know that x plus 4 times x plus 4 is x squared plus 8x plus 16. So we can replace x plus 4 times x plus 4 and rewrite the expression x squared plus 8x plus 16 times x plus 4. So after this we have double brackets again. However, what is different here is that we have 3 terms within one set of brackets and 2 in another. Right at the start, I said when you have 2 sets of brackets, you have to ensure you multiply every combination of terms in both brackets at least once. The way to achieve this is by multiplying each term in the larger expression by the smaller expression, in this case x plus 4. So we can write this as x squared times x plus 4 plus 8x times x plus 4 plus 16 times x plus 4. We can then multiply out each of these sets of brackets individually. X squared times x plus 4 is x squared times x, which is x cubed, and 4x squared. 8x times x plus 4 is 8x squared plus 32x, and 16x and 16 times x plus 4 is 16x plus 64. We now rearrange and combine the like terms. X cubed is by itself, 4x squared and 8x squared come to 12x squared, 32x and 16x come to 48x, and 64 is by itself. So the answer is x cubed plus 12x squared plus 48x plus 64. In our last section, we will look at triple brackets. By triple brackets, I mean expressions with 3 sets of brackets multiplied together. We deal with these in a similar way to cubed brackets. The example we will look at is x plus 1 times x plus 2 times x plus 3. The first step is to multiply the first 2 expressions x plus 1 and x plus 2 together. We can use the FOIL method. X and x are the first terms. Multiplied together comes to x squared. The outside terms are x and 2, which multiplied together comes to x2 or 2x. The inside terms are 1 and x, multiplied together comes to x, and the final terms are 1 and 2, multiplied together comes to 2. The x and 2x terms can be added together, therefore we have x squared plus 3x plus 2 for the first 2 sets of brackets of our triple brackets expression multiplied. We then multiply this by x plus 3. As in the cubed brackets case, this entails multiplying each term in x squared plus 3x plus 2 by x plus 3. So we have x squared times x plus 3 plus 3x times x plus 3 plus 2 times x plus 3. X squared times x plus 3 is x cubed plus 3x squared. This is added to 3x times x plus 3, which is 3x squared plus 9x, which is added to 2 times x plus 3, which is 2x plus 6. Now we combine like terms. The first term is x cubed, 3x squared plus 3x squared is 6x squared, 9x and 2x is 11x, and the final number term is 6. The answer is x cubed plus 6x squared plus 11x plus 6. So in this video we covered double and squared brackets, cubed brackets and triple brackets. When dealing with double and squared brackets, we use the FOIL method. For triple and cubed brackets, we multiply two of the sets of brackets using the FOIL method, and then multiply each term in the result with the third bracket term. Finally, I have a question for you. If multiplying out brackets now makes sense, please put yes in the comment box. If not, put no. Thanks for watching, and please like or share this video if you find it useful. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thanks and bye for now.